Hey, the adventures of Bobby and Bobby again. The other day we had a pump problem, which at first I thought was the pump. I jumped the gun, immediately jumped on Amazon and ordered a new one. As I was doing that, I saw that this filter right here was clogged. It had a layer of slime in it. And pretty much canceled the Amazon order. Took it apart. Now, for those that don't know, this was originally, you can't really see it, but it was around back here. So if you come around here, and in the most difficult spot you could think of, the pump was mounted down here. Absolutely insane. So I temporarily relocated it. I know I should have crimp connectors, heat shrink, and everything else, but I don't have any of that with me, and I'm not going to go and buy it because I have, owning an electrical contracting company, I have everything I could possibly need back in Orlando. So when I get there, I will remount this and do it correctly. You can see the batteries are in there temporarily too. I need a better battery tray. Right now I just got some boards there to hold it in place. But the main thing, and as you can see, it's a little loud, and it's only because of where it's mounted. That'll be taken care of once we get back to Orlando. I do have a lot of footage of me complaining and taking this thing out, but at that time I thought it was the pump. May include some of it, I don't know. Tomorrow I'm going to be doing a video on tuning up the 6.0, mainly fluid changes. So when I'm done with that, I'll get that up and we'll see. Anyway, have a great day and like and subscribe. Thank you.